Good day to everyone participating in the Dubai Expo 2020 Smart City Forum. I'm very honored to give this speech on behalf of KONE. To begin with, allow me to show you a short video.
每个城市都有自己的故事。
लेकिन ये बस एक कहानी नहीं है। हर मोड़ और हर क्लिक के बाद नए दौर शुरू होंगे। मैं उसका हिस्सा बनना चाहता हूं।
A world of opportunities where technology is increasing our ability to shape the future every day. And with a strong focus on sustainability, we want to lead the way in our industry by creating smart and sustainable urban environments. Our cities grow, infrastructure is transforming, everything becomes connected. That's why at KONE, we use the power of technology to create value-adding services for sustainable success with our customers.
On meistä kiinni, miten kaupungit kehittyvät.
We are curious. We collaborate. And together, we create the best people flow experience.
Podemos hacer que nuestras ciudades sean lugares más inteligentes y más sostenibles en los que vivir. Haga suyo ese propósito y no estará solo.
More than 60,000 KONE professionals serving 500,000 customers. Over 4 billion people living in urban areas. One mission: to improve the flow of urban life.
हम मिलकर दुनिया में बदलाव ला सकते हैं। ये है हमारी कहानी।
This is our story.
这是您的故事。
I love this video. Improving the flow of urban life is a topic touching each and every one of us. It is KONE's mission, and it's also very close to me as a person. As someone born and raised in Beijing, I witnessed the transition of the city from courtyards to high-rises. I also had a great opportunity to have lived in some different cities around the world, each with very different characters. Phoenix, Arizona, Rotterdam, Frankfurt, Tripoli, and most recently in Helsinki as the Chief Innovation Officer at KONE. At KONE, we are in the elevator and escalator business. For many of our customers, we are known as the People Flow Company. As shown in the video before, improving the flow of urban life is our mission. We see 3 megatrends shaping the future of our cities. First, there is no doubt that urbanization will continue. Over 50% of people already live in urban areas today. Around 200,000 people move into cities every day, or 140 every minute across the globe. It is expected that an additional 1 billion people will move into cities by 2030. Sustainability presents a critical change, the biggest challenge of our time. To accommodate the growing number of people in cities efficiently, while slowing down climate change, we need to adapt smarter and scalable solutions. At the same time, we need to take into account economic viability, environmental impact, as well as social equality. Sustainability is a business imperative today. Finally, technology enables us to solve those challenges. Let's take a look at some examples towards sustainable, digital-driven urban environments. Technology is increasingly used to make cities more livable and responsive. We, each and every one of us are at the center of our future cities. We want to feel secure, be healthy, enjoy convenience, be mobile, and be part of a local community. Many technologies are already there to meet the needs of today and tomorrow. Rapid advances in connectivity, IoT, data analytics, and machine learning have accelerated innovation. Just as an example, I have not carried a wallet in both Beijing or Helsinki in the recent years. At KONE, we recently organized a small logistic experiment in Helsinki where an autonomous delivery robot delivered food from a supermarket to people living in a nearby high-rise building. The robot used KONE APIs to call an elevator in order to move vertically to reach its end customers. It is a nice example of how innovation and collaboration can provide more convenience in cities. Accessibility in and between buildings is one area of innovation that we are also working on with partners. Recently, we developed a new technology solution connecting wheelchair to our DX class elevators, matching an increasing demands of an aging population and those with special needs in the cities. Meanwhile, cities need to fulfill our needs with minimum energy, minimum waste, and in the fairest manner possible. The pandemic has highlighted some of the issues, but also accelerated changes. One example is so-called 15-minute cities. The idea is to improve quality of life by creating cities where everything can be reached in 15 minutes by foot or by bike. As an example, Paris plans to clean the city's air and improve citizens' daily life by turning every street cycle-friendly by 2024, while removing 72% of on-street parking. Those spaces will then convert to greenery, vegetable plots, and playgrounds. So, we do have the potential to make life better for every one of us living in cities. However, limited resources constrain progress. Roughly only 1 in 6 cities are able to self-finance required infrastructure projects. Cities are complex ecosystems consisting of a myriad of actors, from city governments to educational institutions, state-owned utilities, foundations, and private companies. Those actors may have conflicting agendas, but they are ultimately united by the same end customer, us living in cities, who are also increasingly seen as an active agents in smart city ecosystems. With the increasing application of technologies to make cities smarter and more sustainable, companies have a key role not only in financing the initiatives, but also when it comes to technology and innovation expertise. So-called public-private people partnerships are an emerging way to speed up the progress. As an example of public-private collaboration, KONE is building a global ecosystem with an ambitious goal to accommodate the next 1 billion urban dwellers over the next decade, and to do so in a smooth and sustainable way. In order to achieve that, we collaborate with companies of different sizes as well as research organizations on research, development, and innovation initiatives. Our Veturi Innovation Program, co-funded by Business Finland, is a great example of ecosystem collaboration, targeting 4 segments of smart city: smart building, smart construction, smart mobility, and smart logistics, with a joint market opportunity of over 100 billion euro and growing over 10% per annum. This means that sustainable urban development is also a good business case. It truly benefits cities and society at large. Let me share with you another example which is leading the way in the world in respect of smart cities, Singapore. Many researches and country classifications place both Singapore and Helsinki at the top in smart city rankings. A living lab for testing new technologies, Singapore has set some very ambitious targets for the upcoming years. Sustainability, green energy, efficiency, digitalization, robotics, and multimedia applications are well present in the initiatives. KONE WORX is a network of co-innovation centers where we work side by side with our customers to create future solutions and services in order to power the growth of smart and sustainable urban living. In our innovation center in Singapore, we are currently working together with one of our leading customers in automating vertical logistics for rooftop farms in high-rise buildings through our connected elevators. KONE has a long-standing presence in the Gulf region since mid-70s. In Dubai, we are currently supplying to B4 Grand and 2 towers in Address Harbour Point. Other projects in the region include the iconic 385-meter towers in the new administrative capital of Egypt and Central Bank of Iraq headquarters. In summary, improving the flow of urban life is KONE's mission. People, each and every one of us living in cities, and our needs are the driving forces for future cities. Technology enables innovative solutions to fulfill our needs in a smarter and more sustainable way. Meanwhile, as cities are very complex ecosystems, only collaboration across the public and private sectors with people engagement could speed up the progress. In the spirit of collaboration and sustainability, we look forward to working towards a smart and sustainable urban future with you. Thank you.